What went wrong today? I think Hardik Pandya went wrong today.
We all hate Hardik Pandya. Can you get rid of him, Mumbai Indians?
MI KKR just finished and we do have a Mumbai Indian and a Kolkata Knight Rider. He's literally a Knight Rider tonight. How happy are you with the 2 points?
Oh, super happy right now. I think what's more important is getting the win here after 10 long years. And
12 actually.
12 long years.
I'm guessing it's a 12-year-old jersey.
Yeah.
That was the last time KKR beat Mumbai in Mumbai.
No wonder they won today.
Do you think this is the worst IPL season you've seen from a Mumbai perspective?
Yes.
No. Mumbai has had bad season. Not the worst ever, but it's amongst the bottom three, I would say.
तो इतिहास में सबसे खराब सीजन यही है
यही रहेगा.
बिल्कुल
आगे नहीं होगा फिर से.
See, look, we can't say much. We don't know what's going on internally. You know, you read a lot online that there's a, I don't know what the team bonding is currently. So maybe that could affect it. Maybe the captaincy is not working out.
A captain is only as good as the team.
But what's gone wrong this season?
I think the obvious one, like Mr. Pandya, you've made your money. Now please leave our franchise that built you, and also the franchise that Rohit Sharma built.
MI management, the boos are not solely for Hardik Pandya. It's also for the MI think tank.
They need to influence the kids how they're supposed to do the captaincy and how they're supposed to play.
Yeah.
I showed this game to my kids and they were completely disappointed.
I think it's not his fault that he's been brought in. They've got him in the team, and if you boo the captain, what's going to happen in the team?
If the Mumbai franchise has chosen him to be a captain, he is the captain and everyone should accept it. And he is a good player, just that he is going from a bad phase. As Virat Kohli was, as Rohit Sharma is, and everyone has been going through a bad phase. Why can't he?
ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी साढ़े साथी शुरू हो गई है.
CSK has had bad seasons. RCB has bad seasons from years now.
मेरी क्यों लेते हो यार?
Mumbai should stop booing. That's not good. It's not respectful. It's not cool.
Lost between the
the BCCI. They have made him vice captain for the T20 tournament.
And that's a big problem.
Why say anything else? It's all politics. They're going to keep playing Hardik Pandya. You saw what he did. It's going to be the same in the World Cup. So, and I'm not expecting anything from India in the World Cup because I'm personally not happy with the team.
Okay. And are you a Rohit Sharma fan? Not at all?
I'm a Hardik Pandya fan. Please don't beat me.
Really? Are you just saying that?
But he's not performing well these days. So
Really?
I didn't want to get beaten up.
You- No, it's okay. Don't get beaten up. You won't get beaten up. You're too cute to get beaten up. Just wear your purple. Flaunt it. Are you actually a KKR fan?
Yeah.
For their performance tonight, what is the mark on 10 you would give them?
The bowling, I would give them a 9. And the batting, I would give them a 6.
I don't think Hardik Pandya is the problem. I think the fact that Rohit Sharma has removed his captain is the problem.
रोहित है कैप्टनसी में, वो अच्छा खेलता है, सबको संभाल के साथ में लेके चलता है. एटीट्यूड भी नहीं है और हार्दिक एटीट्यूड बहुत है.
there was this Mahendra Singh Dhoni era. Then we have this Virat Kohli era. Now we are in the Rohit era, but we are not ready to move from Rohit to Hardik Pandya. Maybe I am not against him, but I am more supportive towards Rohit.
Who's your favorite player?
I like Rohit Sharma a bit.
Yeah?
A bit.
A bit? You don't love him a lot?
I don't know which one is my favorite.
You never have to worry about Rohit. Like so, I would say the issues in Mumbai are elsewhere. It's never Rohit Sharma.
Thanks, Rohit. तुम नहीं होते तो मैं मर जाती.
So it's just all over the place currently. They're not playing as one team. As you see, like the people on top, like KKR, you see Sunrisers, you see these type of teams. They're playing together as a team. They have one mindset. They want to win. They want to attack.
So KKR fans flying high, and why won't they be? They've got the 2 points. How happy are you with the 2 points? Because that's another step closer to just solidifying the playoffs.
माफ कीजिएगा मुझे बोलना नहीं आता.
KKR this season with Gambhir, he's turning it on big time.
Yeah, they should make him the Indian coach and they should get Rinku Singh. If BCCI are listening, please get Rinku Singh.
KKR looked like a different beast this year. Is that because of the GG factor, Gautam Gambhir?
It is purely because of the Gautam Gambhir factor. Earlier, the management was clueless. Dinesh Karthik was captain. They did not know what to do. I don't think Andre Russell was being used in the right spot. I think he had a brilliant start of the season.
and that kind of set the tone for the whole season for the rest of the team.
What is up with Venki Iyer and against Mumbai? He just loves his team.
I know, but he needs to be more consistent, and we hope for other players like Nitish Rana to get back into the team so that we have a little more batting. Ramandeep's good, but he doesn't look in good nick.
And do you think actually KKR will win the IPL? Because they're actually surprising so many people.
Oh, yeah, but I think it will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And finally, who do you think was the best player of the match according to you? It could be anyone.
I think Stark played really well at the end when it was crucial moments. He held it down for the team.
Of course, Surya Kumar.
Yeah.
I just loved his batting.
It has to be Venkatesh Iyer, I guess.
Yeah.
He's gonna play for India now, so best of luck for him. Actually, in in T20 World Cup.
Subscribe to cricket.com/TV.
Well done.